There is no honor among thieves. This timeless adage aptly captures the intricate scheming and relentless plotting characterizing the bitter succession battle within the ruling party. Zambi namashoko kubuda chitauro pamusoro pecorruption aiwa nevanhu vari kulebhliwa semathieves vari kuonekwa panguva ino iyi vari kukonzeresa kuti nyika yedu yezimbabwe ive neeconomic collapse. Totibva subscribe like on the bell icon. TV namune yanda wabudanyura chiti. At the heart of this political mortal combat, the two long-term allies turned rivals. 32 years old Emmerson Mnangagwa and his 68-year-old Vice President retired KUTYA Chiwenga. Their history is one of a symbiotic relationship forged in negating the treacherous landscape of Zimbabwe's securocratic state and a deeply fractured ruling party. More than just political comrades, these two have long operated as a notorious tag team, widely seen as masterminds behind the brutal securocratic deep state. Since 1980, this shadowy force has been regarded as the true power sustaining ZANU-PF's rule and behind some very dark episodes of human rights abuses. Now, the dangerous game of thrones unfolding between them, threatening to unravel the very machinery they once controlled together and risk throwing the country into the abyss. In this piece I took at the brief and notorious relationship of the two belligerents, the political events which has led them to this situation, and hazard why it is deeply concerning development. Mashoko anobuda tsanangura pamusoro pemutungamiriri wenyika navice president KUTYA Chiwenga. Means aiwa, when there is no honor among thieves, panapa panoonekwa kunzi aiwa vari vaviri vaionekwa vanhu vakanga vari the foundation vakanga vakabata nyika pamwe the ruling party, but now kwakuchionekwa kunzi now they are against each other. Panapa this critical point panapa chionekwa kunzi aiwa vakanga vari long time friends, but at this time matables are tena. Mbotse mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Kuda kume section medu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe like, hit the bell icon.